Most people think about port wine as an old man's drink. I myself like to drink port wine in old cellars, just like this one, sipping away old colheitas and vintages alike. But I've discovered something new, a side of port wine that until now was hidden from me. I invite you to come and explore the future of port wine with our book, The Portologist. Hi, my name is Ruud Scholten, and I've spent the last 12 years diving deep into the worlds of port wines and cocktails. The Portologist is a book about bringing port wine lovers and cocktail enthusiasts around the world together. In this book, we explore the untapped potential of port wine as a base for cocktails, collaborating with renowned mixologists from around the world. In this book, you will find everything from the famous port tonic up until modern takes on classics such as the espresso martini, which we like to call an espresso martini. Whether you're a seasoned mixologist, a home cocktail enthusiast, or looking for the perfect holiday gift, you'll find this book invaluable. But the Portologist isn't just about the recipes. It tells the story of port wine, its deep history, its origin in the Douro Valley, and its rise as a favorite ingredient amongst cocktail lovers today. It's all about the different styles, techniques, and stories behind crafting port wine cocktails. More than just an after-dinner drink, it's becoming the star of creative cocktails in bars and homes of wine lovers around the world. By backing our Kickstarter campaign, you will not only get your hands on a copy of The Portologist, you will help bring this one-of-a-kind book to life. Without your support, there will be no book. So let's make this happen, one port wine cocktail at a time.